Welcome to today's video. This is a B1 level grammar lesson. Today we're going to be looking at the present perfect simple with negative contractions. So look at the examples below. The clothes are dirty. He is washing the clothes. He's cleaned the clothes. So present perfect simple with a contraction. You have the subject plus either an S or an apostrophe VE, and then the third form of the verb. So I've worked, you've done, he's bought, she's played, it's rained, we've broken, and they've taught. Then with the negative present perfect simple with a contraction, it's the subject plus haven't or hasn't plus the third form of the verb. I haven't read, you haven't done, he hasn't borrowed, she hasn't brought, it hasn't rained, we haven't gone, they haven't promised. Here are a few more examples. I am at home, I am going out, I've gone out. Here is a comparison, both with and without the contraction. I have started my homework, I've started my homework. You have not bought it, you haven't bought it. He has spoken with her, he's spoken with her. She has not left, she hasn't left. It has rained, it's rained. We have not been there, we haven't been there. They have written a letter, they've written a letter. We usually use a contraction in spoken English. We often use a contraction in written English. He's left the house. John has won a medal at the Olympic Games. John's won a medal at the Olympic Games. Okay, so you're going to change each sentence with a contraction. So the example, I have been to Italy twice, would be changed to I've been to Italy twice. You have not bought it becomes you haven't bought it. So pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to see the answers. So number one would be, I've eaten too much food today. He hasn't bought a new car in many years. She's decided to leave school and get a job. I really like that picture you've painted. He's lost all of his money. Now you're going to complete these sentences with the present perfect simple and a contraction with the verbs listed in the boxes. The first one is already done. They finished dinner and now they want to go outside and play. So go ahead and pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So John looks very well. He's started a fitness course and goes to the gym 3 times a week. She's lived in Tokyo for almost 10 years. She speaks Japanese fluently now. It's rained all morning and now it is going to snow. Is Bill growing a beard? He hasn't. Shaved in a long time. Rest of the pizza, I've shared it among the children. I can't find the cat again. I think that he's jumped over the fence. Kids, I've washed the kitchen floor, so please remove your shoes because the floor is still wet. Now you can use the present perfect simple with a contraction to make some sentences. So you could say something like, I've watched the movie Toy Story many times. I've been to Hollywood once. He's painted a colorful picture. Got my N, BAIMTED. And that last one looks like a picture of the Seattle Space Needle. So um, I've been to Seattle a couple of times. So here are a few more. You can try making your own sentences with these. Here are just some possible answers. I've played Scrabble many times. Bought some new chairs for the beach. She's cooked lasagna for dinner. And the children they've played soccer every day. All right, now fill in the blanks with the present perfect simple and a contraction. Again, you can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to see the answers. So we've moved house 2 times this year, and now we must move again because I have a new job in another city. Yes, I've watched all the Godfather movies. They are fantastic films. Jax listened to the weather report on the radio, and it is going to be sunny tomorrow. Let's go to the beach. Please call Jacob. He's called you 3 times today, but you were not at home. So we usually use a contraction in spoken English. For example, he's left the house. I haven't done it. John's won a medal. She hasn't seen it. It's rained today. Now you're going to complete this dialogue. Again, you can pause the video, try this on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check the answers. So I've bought a new book. I really love it. It's an adventure story by Gordon Wallace. Oh yes, I've heard of that author. He's very famous in Europe. Last week I was talking with Jen. She told me that she's read 3 of that author's books. What about you? What are you reading at the moment? Well, I've started a new detective novel, but I'm not enjoying it very much. Here's Elijah. He wanted to watch this television show. It started. Actually, he's gone to the cinema with friends. They decided that they wanted to watch some new film in 3D. Do you know which film? I haven't seen a 3D movie in a long time. He told me before leaving the house, but I've forgotten what the title of the film was. John, you look so tired. Have you had a bad day? I haven't been well for more than a week. I've been so busy at work and I haven't eaten properly all week. You need some food and a good rest. I've prepared a healthy salad, so please eat some of it. Thanks, but I'll eat later. I haven't finished replying to my emails and I want to finish them as soon as possible. All right, now we're going to talk about the difference between gone and been. So Emma went to Fiji. Emma's is in Fiji now. Emma's gone to Fiji for 6 weeks. Emma's gone on holiday. Here we're showing she left for Fiji in the past, and she's been in Fiji for all of this time between the time she left and the present. Emma was in Fiji, but now she's back. So Emma's been on holiday and has been to Fiji. So she went to Fiji, she returned from Fiji, which is also in the past, and now in the present, we're saying that she has been, but she's no longer there. So this is Tony's passport. Has he been to Mexico? Yes, he's been to Mexico. Has he been to Australia? No, he hasn't been to Australia. Right now, use the present perfect simple and either gone or been to complete the sentences. You can pause the video and try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check the answers. So where's Lachlan? He's gone to South Africa for a month. Charlotte, I haven't seen you for a long time. Yes, I know. I've been in Argentina for a while. Sorry, but they are not home at the moment. They've gone out. I think they went to a restaurant. There's a new taco restaurant in the neighborhood. We've been there at least 5 times this month. Where's Sophie? She went out. I think that she's gone to the hairdresser. Emily's gone to Los Angeles for a week. She will return next Sunday. Harrison and Matilda haven't been to the cinema together in such a long time. They don't like the same films. I've not been to Dubai. I would like to go, but I don't like hot weather. Now we're going to talk about how to use ever and never. We often use these words with the present perfect simple. Ever is used in questions and never is used in answers. So for example, have you ever been to France? No, I've never been. But you would not say, no, I've not never been. You cannot use never with the negative. All right, now use never plus the present perfect simple to answer the questions. So have you ever tried Black Forest cake? No, I have never eaten it. Have you ever been to Madrid? No, I've never visited Madrid. Have you ever had Australian red wines? No, I have never drunk them. And have you ever talked with your new neighbor? No, I have never spoken with him. Have you ever spanked your children? No, I have never hit them. Have you ever eaten vegetables and fruit from your own garden? It's such a healthy way to eat. No, I have never grown fruits and vegetables from my own garden. Have you ever sent an email to John or Rebecca? No, I have never written them. And have you ever left your keys at home and then gone out? It's so annoying. No, I've never forgotten my keys. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave comments, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.